In order to properly figure out the answer to this problem, you need to be familiar with the 5 different ways you can prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So I'm going to quickly just review them with you. The first one here is that just based on the definition itself, a parallelogram is if both pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. So if those two lines are parallel and those are parallel, you have a parallelogram. The second way to prove you have a parallelogram is if both pairs of opposite sides are congruent or the same length. The third one is if both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. The fourth one is if the diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect each other. And the fifth and final one is if one pair of opposite sides is both parallel and congruent. So looking through these 4 options, the only one that matches one of those is our third choice. And that may be a little hard just to tell by reading it, but so let's draw it out ourselves. So here we're going to draw our quadrilateral QRST. And what this is stating is that QR is congruent to ST, so those are the same length, and QT is congruent to RS. So you can see that does indeed match that proof I was telling you about where both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. All right, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.